Mad, sick, Reggaeville.
I want to walk one in the place. Anybody in here from Germany tonight? Any Germans? Anybody in here from Italy tonight? What? 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 Hold on there. Anybody in here from Switzerland tonight? Yeah? Anybody in here from Slovakia, Venezuela, Cuba, the UK? Where are my people from Spain now? Make some noise! Jump that shot there. Everybody clap like this now. All hard-working people in Rotterdam, put your hands over your heads and clap like this. There you go. Times well hard in the yard today, but if you don't work, then you won't get paid. Easy, 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 easy. Wheel. Jump it again. All hard-working people in Rotterdam, Spain, no matter where you come from in the world, I want to see you clap like this. Man, us any line there. There you go. Times well hard in the yard today, but if you don't work, then you won't get paid. When the obstacles come along the way, overcome, overcome. Many are called but the chosen few. Nothing in this world that you can do. If you work hard, then you will pull through. Overcome, overcome. All over the overcome. Because of the people are moving on so long. So you're not in hold, now they want this song. And then the pressure must show the more income. You then the father can't feed his son. And then you tell him that he said he beat him gun. Get the gun, rock this stuff. 5 innocent people that you know. As well hard in the yard today. They don't work, then you won't get paid. Obstacles come along the way. Overcome, overcome. Many are called but the chosen few. But in this world that you can do, if you work hard, we'll good. Listen up, Snyder. Every day they get up and they live you like a boy man. If you want to reach them, you know that they go wrong. Get up, brush off and take yourself out of the sun. And I say go find a trade and make some fun. Don't turn this stress in a smoke or rum. Over show, never put you on down. Set up a star, lick a bull, a lick a bun. So when the week on, hey, well hard in the yard today. You don't work, then you won't get paid. Obstacles come along the way. Overcome, overcome. Many are called for the chosen few. Nothing in this world that you can do. If you work hard, you will pull through. Overcome. No. So many beautiful ladies are in the audience tonight. Can I hear all my beautiful ladies scream? When I see all these beautiful ladies, I want to sing beautiful songs. Big up to my namesake, Wavy Wonder. Sing it out. Got somebody, she's a beauty, very special, really a true. Hey, take good care of me, like it's a duty. All my ladies know, right by my side. Rotterdam, sing it out. Hey, no letting go. Because what? Because you are my baby. When I'm with you, it's all I got. Girl, I'm so glad we play me low. Before I go, I have to big up an iconic Jamaican artist. Very instrumental in my career and the careers of many others. Anybody know a DJ called Bounty Killer, Rodney Price, Poor People Governor, 5-star General? All the respect Bounty now, sing on! Foreigners are sufferer, robbers are sufferer, travelers are sufferer, beggars are sufferer, drivers are sufferer, survivors are... You never get them well enough for them. Sing! Almost sorry, I'm sad to say, you can't stop me not today. I've been working to get my pay, my pay. Some way, so sorry but sad to say, you can't stop me not today. I've been working to get my pay, my pay. Thank you! Rotterdam, Wayne Marshall in the bill. Wow!
Mad, sick, Reggaeville.